So if you are interested what I got from my Yayoge store, how this lamp works and how I created this beautiful design with these little painting gels from Yayoge, please keep on watching this video. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do hit that notification button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
So everything I'm gonna show you today is from Yayoge, and I got a small box and everything came in this UV light lamp box like this, and there's nothing much left of the box. And when it came in, I didn't know what it was until I opened it. But first I'm gonna show you the box I got and the lamp that is in there from Yayoge. So we are going to test that out in this video. So it's a really cute pink lamp. So let me toss this aside. And this is the user manual, and it's just one sheet. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there's not much to tell about this lamp, I see. So I got this all from the UK Yayoge store, and I will tell you the prices. I looked everything up and made pictures. So before we are going in on everything from this lamp, it's a 48 watt lamp and it was $26.19. So there's no display on here, just your on and off, and it says 24 watts, 48 watt, 5 seconds, 30 seconds and 90 seconds. And there's a bottom in here, but it's magnetic, so that's something I really like. And there are a lot of lights in here, and you can see these things right here, so you know if you slide your hand in, it will automatically turn off and on. So there is blue film on here to protect the iron, the metal, but I'm gonna leave that on. And it's really nice and pink, and it says Sun 1 UV LED nail lamp, and it comes with this adapter, and this is for the Netherlands. I need 2 plugs, so we are going to plug it in. And this is really light, like nothing is in here. So we are going to check this out. So let me take this part off right here. There we go. And I turned off the light. Let me see. Well, it's working already. Really nice bright light, and I'm really curious to see. You can see these lights will turn on and off. It's on right now. 5 seconds, 30 seconds and 60 seconds. Really fun. So we are going to use this one, and if it's working really well, I'm gonna leave my Madame Glam one on the other side of the table where I'm doing clients, and I will leave this one for my filming area. So this is the first thing I got, and I really like the fact that it's pink. I love pink, and it matches my room so freaking nice. So let me put it right there. So the next thing I got, I was really excited about, is this, and this is the Builder Gel Pink. And some of you know this is my favorite builder gel, and my clients love this one because the color is gorgeous. Let me see if I can take this off. Every time I show these to my clients, no, this is another one, this is the other pink, no, it's the wrong pink. I do have this one in my collection too, but I will show you my favorite color. I will contact Yayoge to ask them to send me the right one. This is Cover Pink. And Cover Pink is my favorite one, but I'm almost clear of this one, so I will ask to send me the right one, the Cover Pink, because this color is freaking amazing. But this one, I definitely gonna use this one in upcoming videos to test this color out. It looks more of a jelly color, but also this one you can get from their site. Let me see. It's 56 grams of gel, and I think it's $5 and something, and there are different colors. So you have the pink I have, you have your Cover Pink right here, you have your soft pink. I really like this color too, thin pink, and and here we have light pink and white. I really want to try out the other pinks as well. I really want to see if I like those as much as I like this Cover Pink one, because it's freaking beautiful. So curious about that one. Then we've got this, and I freaking love this. This is just normal nail polish, and you don't need a lamp to cure this one, but this is nail lacquer, and you got this in 16 different colors, and this is 12 milliliters, and it comes in for $4.32. And I freaking love this. This is a holographic one, and it's so freaking gorgeous. You can see the holographic in here. So let me see if I have my tip ready right here, so we can smack some on here. I love this one. And for a more beautiful result, put some black on there, this color. But if you see this in the sun, you will be mesmerized. I love this color. Let me see if I can put the light on my phone. Look at that. Look at that glitter and holographic in here. And you don't need a light to cure it. It just cures by air. I love this one. And they have so much different colors. Look at that, beautiful red, white, blue, gold, pink. So hopefully they will send me more, because they are amazing. I freaking love them. My daughter saw these and she asked me to paint her nails with this, so I did. I love this one, gorgeous. Look at that, freaking adorable. Then I got, let me see, a diamond glitter sequins for $2.59, and I got the blue one. Sorry about the noise, but let me take this out. So you got a pot with different blue sequins in here, and little white pearl beads in here. You got your AB crystals, and it's quite full, so you can do different designs. So you have your flat backs, you got these embellishments right here, and just some small gold stars, and these are pointer bags, but you got different things in here, so I can't wait to use these as well. And the last thing I got in this one, and I'm gonna use those on my own nail and test this lamp out as well. We are going to do this design right here, and those were painting gels. So I got 3 of the painting gels, and they were $2.20, and I got 1, 2, and 3. The orange one, the yellow one, and the purple one. But there are, let me see, 12 different colors in this set. So I got orange, purple, and yellow. There's also gold, silver, black, burgundy, a red, a dark green, a blue, a white, a pink, and a red. So you got really nice different variety of colors, and we are going to do this pattern on my nail. So in my previous box I got from them, I got my base coat and top coat from Yayoge, so this is what I'm gonna use today, because if you can, it's really a good thing to use the products from the same company on your nails to get the best results. So we are going to start off with a layer of base coat on my nails and then cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds before we are applying these painting gels. And these painting gels are really nice for nail art designs, to create flowers, cartoons and everything, but also you can use them as a base color on your nails like I did. And I will see how long they will last on my nail as a gel polish. So let me cure these in the lamp for 60 seconds and then we'll be back with coloring these baby nails right here. So I'm gonna use my Born Pretty 4 brush. This is a gel brush, and I'm gonna have some alcohol ready to clean out the brush in between. I think I'm gonna start with the base color. I think I'm gonna do yellow, orange, orange and yellow, and then just a purple for the dots. So we are going to start with the yellow one, and we are going to apply 2 layers, just 2 thin layers of these colors, and then we are going to put 2 layers of orange on these 2 nails, and then we are going to start off and do our design. So enjoy that part of the video, and then I will be right back when we are going to do our design. So these are cured, and the next thing you want to do is take a little pointer brush, take all of the colors, and we are going to use our orange and purple on the yellow nails and the purple and the yellow on the orange nails. And the only thing you have to do is make a pattern and then just put blobs on the nail for the inside of the cheetah or hunter print. Just randomly place blobs and things on the nail. There there hasn't to be a specific way or anything, just randomly put things on here, and you will see at the end it will turn out really nice and really cute. So it doesn't look like a cheetah pattern right now, but we are going to make it look like this baby right here. So the next thing I did was grabbing a little part of paper. I got my nail forms on, and there's a smooth layer on this side, and then I'm gonna use my Aimeili black polish, and this is number 7, and I will put a drop on this paper right here. Make sure you have enough, and then I'm gonna use a little dotting tool I have right here, and then you want to make little C's around these colors and just randomly place some black dots between those parts to create your cheetah print, and you will see it changed up the design completely. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just randomly put 2 C's or just random designs around the colors. And I am right-handed and I'm working with my left hand, so you can see how easy this pattern is, because I'm able to work this pattern with my left hand, and my left hand is really wiggly and everything. I'm not good with my lefty. And if you're happy with the look of the design, you're gonna flash cure it for 5 seconds in the lamp, so it doesn't run everywhere or if you bump your nail or anything. And that's what we are going to do on all of these nails. So I will be right back. So if you're completely happy with the pattern, you're gonna cure these babies in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we are going to top coat these babies. And I really like these because they are so freaking summery. So if you're interested in any of these products, I have a discount code for Yayoge, but if you want to have some discount and save them coins, you have to check out my description box. There are more discounts codes there. So Yayoge is a really nice brand and they ship quite fast. I really like their products, and as I told you before, the builder gel I freaking love from this company. They have a variety of products like rhinestones, glitter, polygel, gels, builder gels, all kinds of things, also lamps, and I think this lamp works perfectly. It cured everything what I did right now. I will use it on builder gel, polygel and everything on next videos. So we are going to use this top coat now. But we will see if it will cure polygel, builder gel and everything as well. So I definitely gonna order me some more Yayoge products. I want to test out more of their builder gels because they have so many beautiful colors, and you can use those as base colors for the most beautiful nail designs. And if you want to do want some inspirations of those beautiful nail designs, you have to check out my Instagram. I do have 2 Instagram accounts. One I have only photos of my clients' nails. Please follow that Instagram and check out those nails because I really like them. And then I have my main Instagram account where I post all kinds of things, giveaways, and share other people's stuff as well as my own nails and creations. So if you want to have some inspiration on nail designs, go check my Instagram accounts out. Also, I have a Facebook account with all my nail stuff on there. And if you are interested in these products, go check out the Yayoge site. They have Facebook, they have Instagram, and they have a website, and they have a UK store you can order your stuff from, and there is a US store as well. So I think that is everything I wanted to show you and tell you. I really hope you like this video, and hopefully I could help you a little bit by this crazy easy design. If you want to have just really simple nails quickly done, this is so freaking easy. Just some blobs on your nails and put little C's around those blobs, and you have your animal print right there, and use just some neon colors and they are summer ready. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do. And if you'd want to stay updated about all my videos I post, hit that little bell right there and you get notified every time I upload a video. And for now, I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye!
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be